Good day mga kababayan, hiring po ang Asia Rich International Management and Contractor Services ng Cultivation Agriculture, Field Crops and Vegetable Farmer. Ito po ang mga qualifications. Female, age is under 28 years old, at least high school graduate, must be married, minimum of 1 year local experience in farming, honest and bright personality, good work attitude. Kung paano mag-apply, dalhin lang po ang mga requirements: updated resume, 2x2 photo, passport copy, PSA birth certificate, NBI clearance, certificate of employment, at long white folder. Pwede kayong mag-walk-in sa kanilang opisina Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ang address ng agency ay sa Suite A, 18th floor, Ramon Magsaysay Center, Rojas Boulevard, Malate, Manila.